On behalf of Nutanix and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around Unleash Your Data with Nutanix for Splunk, where Kanuj Bell, Cloud Architect at Nutanix, will discuss how Nutanix provides simplicity, stability, and scalability for Splunk deployments.
I've been at Nutanix here for 6 years, and prior to that, I've actually spent time as a contractor at Homeland Security doing virtualization and virtualization architecture. So been in this field for over 2 decades at this point, working on enterprises, working on government, federal data as well. And that's kind of what we're here to talk about. So how Splunk works and how Splunk on Nutanix kind of works together. And the reason behind this is that data in general has become vastly increased over the last few years. There's a lot of data coming in, whether that's from user desktops, whether that's from firewalls, that's from servers. All of that data comes in and has to be stored, has to be managed, has to be analyzed. So if you think about how all that data comes in order to be able to use it, you have to process it. And with all the vast amounts of data that you come in, real-time alerting, the real-time analytics of that data becomes very, very difficult because of just the quantity of the data that's coming in. And that trend is only going to be increasing. If you look at that IDC prediction that data creation is going to grow 9x between 2014 and 2023, we're kind of coming to the very end of that time frame. The data seems to increase even further. I have customers that have been using Splunk for years and have been at a certain ingest level, but over the last year or two, that data ingest has gone up like 5, 10, 15 times what they were doing just because of the different things that are being collected now. So many more devices that are connected, so many more devices that are producing data, everything coming in, everything has to be stored, everything has to be analyzed, and it has to be analyzed in a way that's useful, meaningful to someone making a decision on what to do with that data in general.